So guys, I am so excited to say that I'm going back down to Austin, Texas for this year's Mega Ride. We've got everything packed up, good to go. Everything that I'm bringing for the weekend fits here. So we've got my helmet, backpack with the clothes, little camera, gear bag. I'll be able to use this bag at the rides too. Obviously, you're probably wondering, but what bike are you gonna ride? Where's the bike? I got a pass off from the homie SURRON_Seattle, so I'll link him down below. Seriously though, shout out Blake, so go give him a follow because he's helped me out a ton. But let's get to the airport and get on this flight so we can get to Austin. Here he comes.
Here I come.
We made it to the Airbnb. You guys can't see the colorist right now, but quite the place.
Very masculine.
Yo guys, what is up? It is day one here in Austin. It's Friday, first day of the Mega Ride, I guess, the official Mega Ride. But it is raining out today, but there's an 11 a.m. ride, so we should probably wake up the boys. We're gonna prank the Shoko twins. Dude. The ride starts in 20 minutes. Let's go. Get up. Dude, the Shoko twins just love to sleep, bro. Get your ass up. Oh, he's up. Dude, the ride's in 20 minutes. Let's go. All right, guys. First ride of the weekend. We got our nice pink house here. We're about to ride to the spot. We got the boys outside. We don't know what's going on here. We're riding the RTR this weekend. What do we got here? ConnorG Media. Should be fun. It's a little wet out, but it should calm down around 2 o'clock. So we're gonna exercise a little self-control and not wheelie until we get there, so Red can instead, because we want to preserve battery. This thing should be fine on battery, but it is smaller than like a 7240. It's a 7225, so we'll keep it cool. Nice. Good to see you, bro. What's good? Dude, are we going to the mothership tonight? What up, dude? What up, bro?
You made it. You're always so mysterious. Like, I'm never going to another Mega Ride.
I'm not trying to do it on purpose. It just happens. All right, Austin, Texas, 2025 Friday Mega Ride. Yo, what's up, bro? Let's go.
Good on the RTR.
Hey, I'm a little rusty right now, but good to see you, bro.
It looks so good with the display down there.
Yeah, they 3D printed something for it.
You here yesterday?
Nah, I got in last night late.
Me too.
Yeah.
My first ride today.
All right. Ready? Chevy's gonna get pissed. Dude, stop being such a worm. Dude, I watched you drop. That was embarrassing. I'm the worm. Oh, Loop. Look at the dirt all over this kid's shirt. Bro, I hope that sweatshirt wasn't new. Yo, Paul. ConnorG Media. What's up, bro? Yeah, pretty much. Dude, that's your Graham Jarvis technical shit. Come on. Yeah. Appreciate it again, Mega, dude. What's up, bro? I appreciate it. Well, can you not put your jacket over this shoulder?
I gotta take it off.
You're mid taking it off. Yo, what's up? How we doing, bro? Oh, watch out. You're about to get run over by a Porsche.
So would you hop on a plane?
I popped on a plane, yeah. Who's money? Yeah. All right, I just wish this rain would let up here. We got Grommy Bear up here on the E-Ride. What's up? Good to see you, bro. Give me a hug. Up the hill. Yup. You just grabbed my ass. Hey!
Is that you in 10 years talking to yourself by a bridge?
You don't see the guy next to him?
Good to see you.
Good to see you too, buddy. Attaboy, Willie. Yeah, buddy. Yo, you record with an iPad? We got the homies down from Baltimore here. Don't drop. Don't drop. He dropped. Oh, hey, what up? Good to see you, bro.
What up, buddy?
What happened?
Guy over there with no helmet on, crouching down.
All right, so unfortunately another crash. It's just all too common at these rides. Oh!
Another loop.
Yo, how you like that?
I love it.
The other day, it's like, it's a little squirrely, right?
Well, it's.
The handlebars, right?
I don't think it's squirrely. It's probably because of the dirt tires. Did it have dirt tires? Yeah, the dirt tires, they're so knobby that it's squirrely when you're going fast. But you having fun, dude?
Dude, I'm having a fucking blast.
Yeah, up the hill. Oh my God, combo kid, Logan Taylor. You're just another Cali combo kid.
I just want to be like a teenager.
Just the absolute homie stopping for me while I hot swap. Oh. Bro, you scared me. Oh, not the RTR.
Ow.
I don't know if you want this, but you're breaking it in. That's natural. Did he not see me? Dude, there have been like 6 crashes.
I know.
In the space.
5 of them on camera.
I've been thinking about getting one. I've been watching your videos because you're the only one that actually has anything on the bike.
All right, we're heading back to the meet spot now. Ah! Whoa! What's up, bro? What's good, dude? I'm happy to see it outside, bro.
There, bro. Thank you.
Yeah, of course, bro, of course. Hey, what's good? Alright guys, GoPro's about to die. I'll catch you at the charge spot at the B&B or the next ride. I don't know, we'll see, but peace.
All right, guys, first ride successfully done. We made it back to the B&B. Yeah, that's tough. That's good. That's fire causing right there. 12%, we're already charging up again. Good ride, no wrecks.
Alright guys, so we were headed to the Mega Ride, night ride on Friday. My bike is currently at 87, it's showing. You always, you know, ideally go out with 100%, but better turnout than earlier today. You should trade it in for an RTR. More cops?
Is that ConnorG, bro?
What's up? How we doing, bro? Oh, pretty crazy how big this pack is, though. Look at this. What is that? Considered a wheelie?
I don't really know.
Look at, there's 2 of them. That's crazy. There we go. Dude, you look embarrassed to be on an e-bike right now. I can see you're like looking around. You're like, yo, none of my boys see me on it.
Don't show the hose.
Everyone in Dallas is judging you right now, bro.
Gas and it takes a second, then it goes.
Yeah, it's like, it hits a little late. That's just the tune. You gotta get used to it. It's a skill issue, right?
I love e-bikes.
I knew that's why you came. You have a secret love for it, Paul.
Watch out, I don't know what I'm doing.
He's got it. He's got it. Huh?
You have a Sharpie?
No, why?
I gotta get a signature on this bike, bro.
Signature?
Quite the signature.
You gotta hold.
Do you know how to do cursive, bro?
I got dysgraphia, bro. I got disability.
Dysgraphia.
Fender.
So should I sign right there?
Here, bro.
Yeah, look at that.
E-bike celebrity out here.
Oh my god, that's ConnorG.
Oh my god, that's
Oh
the
my god,
roster.
ConnorG.
Come here. Come on. I'll sign it for you.
Forehead.
Yeah, the forehead. Homie got dry erase. Dry erase.
One pretty wet.
Oh, yo, bro. You're Christian, right? I remember I met you like 2 years ago. Yeah, yeah. Dude, the hot dog costume. Let's go.
Dude, I see the
Dude,
pages.
hey, I appreciate it. Woo, woo, woo.
the biggest fucking burnout you ever seen in God.
All right, I'm ready. I'm ready. Do it. Whoa, whoa. Love to see it. Guys, Blake had us all sign this bike, as you saw, but his buddy got dry erase markers, so it's all just rubbing off. Woo, we're getting cozy on this thing. Damn, Chevy again? Mega rides take a toll. Oh, bruh, come on now. Look at him go! Go ahead, get down. Get down, yeah! Everyone just panics the second the cops come out. Panic! Dude, we have an escort.
The move here.
I think you should go try and steal a cop's gun.
You could be in it all weekend with lights. How do we have an escort base?
Yeah, this is all AI generated, by the way.
Crash!
Oh, you crashed, I saw. Are you alright? The best part of all this is this guy just still blasting music. Oh man, tomorrow's still a whole nother mega ride. We still have the main ride tomorrow. Oh, this is no bueno. This ain't good. No, 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 this ain't good. I'm on 25%.
But I don't think we're turning.
We're 2.9 miles away. All right, we're only 2 miles away.
You keep saying that.
Well, we got all turned around. I got 33, but it's only 2 miles.
Make it. I just gotta make it home too. We're trying to get back to our motel.
So are we. All right, Chevy, we gotta go on this road here. So let's get across and get on this road. That was f***ed. Oh my God, I've had to piss for the last 45 minutes, bro.
Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do?